Exercise 17.4, question number 1. The adjoining figure shows a cuboidal block of wood through which a circular cylindrical hole of the biggest size is drilled. Find the volume of wood left in the block. Question first, solution. Diameter of cylinder equal to, that is 30 centimeter, and radius of cylinder, that is half of diameter, so radius is equal to 15 centimeter. And volume of cylinder, pi r square h. Pi is 22/7 and radius is 15 into 15 into height, that is height of cylinder is equal to 70 centimeter. This is cancel and volume is centimeter cube. Volume of cylinder, volume of cylindrical hole, that is equal to 15 15 are 225 and 225 into 20 into 10, that is equal to 220. 0 0 0, 2 5 are 10, 2 2 are 4, plus 1 5, 2 2 are 4, 0 5 4, 0 0 5 9 4, that is 49500 centimeter cube. And length of cuboidal block, length of cuboidal block is equal to 70 centimeter, breadth is 30 centimeter and height is 30 centimeter. Volume of cuboidal block, that is equal to L into B into H. LBH, that is 70 into 30 into 30 volume centimeter cube. 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63. So volume equal to 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63 and 30, 63,000 centimeter cube. Volume of wood is equal to volume of cuboidal block minus volume of cylindrical hole. That is equal to 63,000 minus 49500 centimeter cube. Volume of wood is equal to 63,000 and 49,500. 0, 0. 10 minus 5 equal to 5. 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. And 5 minus 4 equal to 1. So we get 13,500. 13,500 centimeter cube. Answer. Diameter of cylinder. Diameter of cylinder, that is equal to 30 centimeter, and its radius equal to half of diameter, that is 15 centimeter. And volume of cylinder equal to pi r square h. Pi is 22 upon 7 and radius is 15 into 70. Height is cylindrical hole, height is equal to 70 centimeter. And 7 tens are 70, and 15 into 15, that is equal to 225, and 225 multiplied by 222 into 10, that is 220, and we get their multiplication is equal to 49,500 centimeter cube. Its volume of cylinder. And volume of cuboidal block. So volume of cuboidal block is equal to length into breadth into height. Length is equal to 70 centimeter, breadth is 30 centimeter, and its height is 30 centimeter. So volume equal to LBH, that is 63,000 centimeter cube. Volume of wood is equal to volume of cuboidal block minus volume of cylindrical hole, that is 63,000 minus 49,500. So volume of wood is equal to 13,500 centimeter cube. Answer. Question number 2. The adjoining figure shows a solid trophy made of shining glass. If 1 cubic centimeter of glass cost rupees 0.75, find the cost of glass for making the trophy. Diameter of cylinder equal to 28 centimeter. Radius is equal to 28 upon 2, that is 14 centimeter. And volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Height of cylinder is 28. H is equal to 28 centimeter. Volume is equal to 22 upon 7 into radius is 14 into 14 into 28. This is cancelled by 2, and 28 into 28. 28 multiplied by 28. That is 8 8 are 64, 6 carry, 8 2 are 16, plus 6, 22. 8 2 are 16, 2 2 are 4, plus 1 5. That is 4, 8, and 7. 7, 8, 4 multiplied by 22. that is 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15, same 8 6 5 1, that is 8 8 8 plus 6 14, 6 plus 6 12, 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7 1. Volume of cylinder is equal to 17248 centimeter cube, and side of cube is equal to 28 centimeter. Volume of cube is equal to side cube, that is 28 into 28 into 28 centimeter cube, multiply by 28. 28 are, that is equal to 784, multiply by 28. 8 4s are 32, 2 3 carry, 8 8s are 64, 64 plus 3, that is equal to 67, 6 carry, and 8 7s are 56, 56 plus 6 62, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 7 2s are 14 plus 1 50, that is 2 15, 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 9, 6 plus 5 11, 1 plus 1 2, that is equal to volume of cube equal to 21,952 centimeter cube. Find the cost of glass for making the trophy. Total cost is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of cube, that is 17248 plus 21952 centimeter cube. One 7,248 21952 0 0 9 11, 9 plus 2 11 plus 1 12, 7 plus 1 8, that is 9, 9 2 plus 1 3 is equal to 39,200 centimeter cube, and given if 1 cubic centimeter of glass cost is rupees 0.75, so total cost is equal to 39,200 into 75 upon 100, that is 75, 25 3s are 75 and 25 4s are 100, and this is divisible by 4, 4 9s are 36, 32, 4 8s are 32, and 0 0, 4 is cancelled. We get 9800 multiplied by 3, 0 0, 8 3s are 24, 2 carry, 9 3s are 27, that is equal to 29. So we get rupees 29,400. Answer 29,400 rupees answer. Diameter of cylinder is 28 and its radius is half of diameter, that is equal to 28 upon 2 is 14 centimeter. And height of cylinder, that is equal to 28 centimeter. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h, 22 upon 7 into r into h. Then we get 17,248 centimeter cube, and side of cube is equal to 28 centimeter, so its volume is equal to side raised to power 3, that is 28 into 28 into 28, and we get 21,952 centimeter cube volume of cube. Total cost, that is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of cube, and we get 39,200 centimeter cube, and cost of one cubic centimeter glass equal to rupees 0.75. So total cost is equal to 39,200 into 75 upon 100, which is divisible by 25 3s are and 25 4s are, 4 1s are 4, and 9800 4s are 39,200. So 9800 into 3, we get 29,400 rupees. Answer. Question number 3. From a cube of as 14 centimeter, a cone of maximum size is carved out. Find the volume of the remaining material. Side of cube equal to 14 centimeter. Volume of cube is equal to side into side into side, that is 14 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 14 centimeter cube volume. 14 14s are 196 multiplied by 14, that is 14 6 are 84, 8 carry. 14 9s are 126. 126 plus 8 is equal to 134. That then 13 is carry. 14 1s are 14. 14 plus 13, that is equal to 17. So volume of cube equal to 1744 centimeter cube. And radius of cone is equal to, that is 14 divided by 2 centimeter, that is 7 centimeter, its radius of cone. And volume of cone equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h, that is 1 by 3 into pi is 22 upon 7 into radius is 7 into 7, and height is equal to 14. Height of cone is equal to 14. This is cancel, and we get 14 7s are 98 multiplied by 22, then 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are 18, 119, 196, that is 6, 15, 11, 2, and that is equal to 2156 upon 3 centimeter cube. So we find the volume of remaining material. Volume of remaining material is equal to volume of cube minus volume of cone, that is equal to 1744 minus 2156 upon 3 multiplied by left side and centimeter cube. We get 1744 into 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13, 7 3s are 21 plus 1 22, and 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5, minus 2156, 6 and 8. 2, 12 minus 5, 7, and 1 minus 1, 0, 3. We get 3075, 3076 upon 3. 3 multiplied by 1744, then we get 5232 and minus 2156, that is equal to 3076 divided by 3. 3076 divided by 3. 3 tens are 30, 7 3 2s are 6, 1 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, centimeter cube. We get 1025 whole 1 upon 3 centimeter cube. Answer. Given side of cube is equal to 14 centimeter, so volume of cube is side multiplied by side multiplied by side, and we get 14 into 14 into 14, that is 1744 centimeter cube. And radius of cone, that is half of side is 14 divided by 2 is 7 centimeter, so we get radius of cone is equal to 7 centimeter, and we know that the volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h, 1 upon 3 into pi r square h, 1 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7 into 14, then we get 2156 upon 3 centimeter cube. Volume of remaining material is equal to volume of cube minus volume of cone, that is 1744 minus 2156 upon 3. First of all, we are multiplying 3 1744 and subtract 2156, then we get 3075 divided by 3, and we get 1025 whole, remainder is 1 upon 3 centimeter cube. Answer. Question number 4. A cone of maximum volume is carved out of a block of wood of size 20 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Find the volume of the remaining wood. Take pi equal to 3.14. Given size of a block wood is equal to 20 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Then its volume. Volume is equal to 2000 centimeter cube. Volume is length, breadth, height. Then their volume is equal to LBH 2000 centimeter cube. And radius of cone is equal to 10 divided by 2 centimeter. So radius is equal to 5 centimeter. Height of cone is equal to 20 centimeter. Volume of cone equal to 1 upon 3 into pi is 3.14 r square. R is 5 into 5 into h is 20. That is equal to 1 by 3 into 314 upon 100 into 5 into 5 into 20. This is cancel, and 5 2s are 10 cancel. Centimeter cube, that is 5 4s are 20 and 5 1s are 5 plus 2 7, 5 3s are 15 divided by 3 centimeter cube. Volume of the remaining wood, that is equal to volume of block wood minus volume of cone, that is equal to 2000 minus 1570 divided by 3 centimeter cube, which implies 6000 minus 1570. 10 minus 7, that is equal to 3. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4, and 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 4430 upon 3 centimeter cube. 4430 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 12. 2 3. 3 7s are 21. 2 0. 3 6s are 18. 2. That is equal to 1476 whole 2 upon 3 centimeter cube. Answer. Given size of block wood is equal to length, breadth, height, that is 20 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. So its volume is equal to LBH, that is 2000 centimeter cube, and radius of cone is 10 divided by 2, that is equal to 5 centimeter, and height of cone is equal to 20 centimeter. So volume of cone, that is 1/3 into pi, is given 3.14 into r square, that is 5 into 5 into height is equal to 20, and we get 1/3 into 314 upon 100 into 5 into 5 into 20, and we get 0 0 is cancelled, 5 2s are 10, and 10 10 is also cancelled. We get 314 into 5, that is 1570 divided by 3 centimeter cube, and volume of the remaining wood is equal to volume of block wood minus volume of cone, that is 2000 minus 1570 divided by 3. 3 multiplied by 2000, that is 6000, and 6000 minus 1570, we get 14430 upon 3 centimeter cube, and divided by 3, 1476, and remainder is 2. So we get 1476 whole 2 upon 3 centimeter cube answer. Thank you.